Pawandeep Rajan is an Indian singer. He is known as winning of singing reality show The Voice India. He also participated in Sony TV's show Indian Idol 12. Let's talk about Pawandeep Rajan's lifestyle. His real name is Pawandeep Suresh Rajan. His nickname is Pawandeep. He was born on 27 July 1996 in Champawat, Uttarakhand. By profession, he is a singer and music director. Family. Pawandeep Rajan's father's name is Suresh Rajan. His father is a singer and he sings at events and functions in Uttarakhand. His mother's name is Sarjor Rajan. He has two sisters, Jayatideep Rajan and Chandni Rajan. Childhood and early life. Pawandeep was born on 27th of July 1996 at Champawat, Uttarakhand. Pawandeep's father, Suresh Rajan, is a renowned folk singer. His sister Jayatideep Rajan also beholds a soothing voice and she is also a singer. Pawandeep started learning musical instruments from a very young age. He began playing the tabla when he was a kid and he also plays several other musical instruments like the keyboard, piano, drums, tabla, guitar, etc. He started a band with his friends in college in 2014. The name of the band was Reeth and they used to perform at local lounges and college fest. Pawandeep won the Youngest Tabla Player Award at the age of 2. Educational background. Pawandeep completed his primary education from University Senior Secondary School, Champawat, and attended a local university to get his bachelor degrees. Career journey. During his time in college, Pawandeep Rajan read an advertisement about the auditions for the singing reality show The Voice India in 2015. He got selected in the audition round and was in the team of famous singer Shan. He finally reached the finale and won the show with a prize of 50 lakhs rupees, a car, and a contract to release his first song with Universal Music Group. After winning the show, Pawandeep Rajan released his debut single Yakin with the Universal Music Group in 2015. In 2016, he released an individual album containing total 6 songs. Pawandeep also did a romantic song for the movie Romeo and Bullet in 2017. Pawandeep's voice is not only heard in India but across nations. He performed in many concerts overseas in around 13 countries including Dubai, Malaysia, Thailand, South Africa and many more. Pawandeep has achieved many accolades for himself and for the country. His voice represented his beautiful state Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand government awarded him as the Youth Ambassador of Uttarakhand. Bringing his amazing voice again on reality singing, Pawandeep has participated in the 12th season of the India's biggest singing reality show, Indian Idol. His soothing and soulful voice is not only impressing the judges, but yet again stealing all the hearts of the audiences. He has made his position in top 11 and is constantly working hard to become the finalist and to win the title. Net worth. Pawandeep Rajan's primary income comes from shows and secondary income comes from brands, ads and others. As of 2021, Pawandeep Rajan's net worth is $1 million. Share your thoughts in the comment section below and subscribe to our channel for more Bollywood updates.